Well, a good hump day to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. I may have to change my channel name to Raining in the Sticks. But I hope everybody's having a good Wednesday. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, it's been raining since Sunday. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to do a follow-up on the cucumbers that I planted about a week ago. So give me a second, and I'm finna show you. It's looking like it wants to rain some more, and it's windy. But check it out. Here are my Persian cucumbers. I think I put 4 or 5 seeds in here. I had 2 that germinated. That'll work for me. 2's good. Here are the striped cucumbers that Miss Cheryl and Mr. James sent me from Pennington Garden Life. And these germinated really good. I think I put 5 in here, got 4 that came up. So what we're gonna do before this rain comes back is we're gonna try, well, we are gonna set up the trellis system for these striped cucumbers. So let's work on that. So here's my water I'm going to use, and I save all the water I have around here. If I use this to trellis something, I pull it down, I save it. So what we're going to do is, this is what we're going to use to start the trellis system for the cucumbers. I have some little bitty small eye hooks that I put into this piece of wood right here, and I have them in predetermined holes. So here's one here, I have a hole right here. Same thing on the other side, I hope you can see it, but here it is right here. I have another hole right above it. The reason why I have it set up this way is I can run one set of wires, and depending on how they grow, I can add another section just so they can grow. And we're gonna go all the way around this year. But they got to grow first. So let's get to putting this wire on. What I'm gonna do is, I'll take y'all off of this, off of that tripod, while I'll bring y'all in closer once I get this wire put on here, and you can see what I'm doing. But we're just gonna utilize this eye hook. Maybe get this guy out of the way, and I just run it a couple of strands. I'm gonna hang our container back up, because what I like to do is I like to run this wire through this container, because it does get kind of windy, and this wire actually helps out with stabilizing the container, so to speak. Let's get latched on over here. It'll be hard for me to do this one-handed, so give me a second, I'll turn this camera back on, show you what it looks like. Well, let's check it out. Well, I guess I was gonna say I've been trying to teach Cash and Rosie how to hold and run the camera. Needless to say, it hadn't worked out too good. Okay, here we go, close-up shot. Simple trellis system using a piece of wire. Does not have to be extremely tight. It's just gonna hold up cucumber vines once they get up. And what I'm gonna do is, once these guys get a little bit taller, I'm gonna train them to get up on this piece of wire. They send out those little tendrils, they'll latch onto it, and then they'll be able to run the whole length. And then of course I may add another piece up here, stretch it that way. Or I may go this way, run it this way, up to here, and then across from there. So there's a bunch of ways that you could trellis cucumbers. And this is a way that's worked for me in the past. It's worked really good. These guys down here, I'm actually gonna wait till they get a little bit taller before I put that cucumber trellis, the round trellis system up for those right there. But for now, these guys are looking good. They now have something to latch onto it come time. And maybe we'll get us some show enough cucumbers that we could ferment and eat in salads maybe. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today, just to follow up on the cucumbers, to show y'all that they have germinated quite nicely. And we set up the trellis system for those striped cucumbers. This is just a real simple, easy way to trellis cucumbers using stuff that you may have laying around the home place at a homestead. And I hope this video will help somebody out if they want to trellis cucumbers. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Wednesday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look. I'm always doing stuff like trellis and cucumbers. That being said, you know it's coming down. Referee sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.